Today's video is a clean with me for 2023, so if you're interested in some cleaning motivation, then just keep on watching. Welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle here on this channel. That includes shop with me's for home decor, hauls, and homemaking videos. So if you're interested in that sort of content, you can hit the subscribe button below, and let's jump into today's video. So the first thing I wanted to tackle after getting all the Christmas decorations taken down is to clean the couch. After hosting over the holidays for Thanksgiving and Christmas and kids running around and just doing different things all over the sofa can get really dirty, so I wanted to make sure I took care of that and have a nice clean sofa. I have an old sofa, so this sofa I've had for several years, and I don't want to upgrade it yet because I still have a very young child and I don't see the point yet, but this is like a microfiber type cushion, and the best way that I found to clean it is with a microfiber cloth and Windex. This might sound crazy if you never heard of it, but it absolutely works. And I actually got this trick from one of my favorite YouTuber cleaners. I've been watching her for years and I've been using this trick for years, and it absolutely works. I just spot clean it, and yes, it looks crazy until it dries, but once it dries, everything is smooth and it just looks so new, and I absolutely love it. So I know it's very tempting to get new furniture every so often, especially when you buy a new place or get a new place. But the way that I kept this sofa looking refreshed is just to update the pillows. I continuously switch out the pillows. I have the original pillows that came with it, but some of the colors I didn't like because they were too dark. So I got some covers off Amazon and I just covered them, some of them, to get some brighter colors, and then I added some nicer pillows and some accent pillows and things. So that's one of the ways that I keep it. So another thing I have to clean very often is my ottoman. There's always dirt and dust and crumbs and things like that. My son has some Play-Doh in there, so I have to definitely check it often, and so I just roll out my Dyson and suck up all of the debris, and then I'm also going to Windex this one down and just kind of spot clean it because there were a few stains and spots here and there. But this is also like that same type of microfiber material, and so the same method works that I used on the couch and on some of the accent pillows that have that same microfiber material.
But I only bring you a lighter, so we can add fuel to the flames. Keep on playing games.
So all the spot cleaning does take a few hours to completely dry, but it's all very cohesive and very smooth looking when it is finished, so it's going to take a while to get there. But in the meantime, I'm going to tackle the kitchen because there's some dishes on the counter that I need to clean. And a few of the dishes have sat in water too long because I typically like to soak my dishes, but sometimes I can go overboard with how long I leave them in there. And so if you ever run into a stain problem with dishes, I'll show you the product that I use to get those rust stains out.
Door, out the door, door, door. I don't wanna hurt you anymore, anymore, more. I don't wanna hurt you anymore. I'm just trying to give you something, but you're better off with nothing from me. And I think that you're
you've probably seen me using it a little bit already, but this is the product I like to use. This is Barkeeper's Friend. You can use it on stainless steel, porcelain, which is what my sink is, ceramic, copper, brass, fiberglass, corian, chrome, and aluminum is how the bottle reads. But as you can see, this particular piece of silverware had a really bad rust stain, and this cleaner took it right off. And if you're anything like me, as you get older and you turn flat-footed or you lose your arch and you're not wearing the proper shoes or standing on the right type of mat, your back can start hurting the longer you stand when you're cleaning, if you're bending over and doing all those types of things. So I've just learned over time that if I'm doing a long task and I can do it while I'm sitting down, then I'll do that. So I just pulled up a stool next to my sink and just sat there and finished the rest of the dishes. The next thing I wanted to do before I cleaned my sink was to get the grills off of my gas stove top and soak them and clean them before I clean the stove. That way they can soak while I'm cleaning the stove.
And you decide if you want to play pretend. And you decide if you want to see me again.
So after cleaning the stove and all of the dishes, I wanted to go ahead and clean the sink so I can get a sparkly white sink back. I just love a clean, sparkly sink, especially when it has the lemon zest, fresh aroma coming out of the garbage disposal. Like, it's just one of the best things to walk into when you're in a kitchen. So cleaning the sink is actually one of my favorite things to do in the kitchen as far as cleaning is concerned. It just makes it feel complete. The last thing I wanted to tackle in this particular Clean With Me video was the dining area. My son had made a little spill on the floor of orange juice, so it was just getting sticky and yucky, and so I wanted to get that cleaned up. So I'm just wiping down the table and just moving it out of the way so I can go ahead and get that cleaned up. Now, it was a small spill, so the only thing that I used was the remaining liquids from Clorox cleaning bleach, and I used my steam shot to get that all cleaned up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you stayed till the end and found it helpful and motivational, if you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more content like this, and you can also hit the bell notification and you'll be notified on Mondays, Fridays, and Sundays when I upload. On Mondays we do Shop With Me's at all my favorite home decor stores. Tomorrow we are doing Home Goods, and on Fridays I take you to Target to see what's new in home decor. And on Sundays I bring you lifestyle and homemaking content, especially from the new house. So I hope to see you in another video, which might be somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.